Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting registration now. Make sure camera permission is enabled and your device has sufficient battery. Open the camera or official scanner app and point at the QR code from about 6-12 inches away. Keep steady and use natural light. This improves focus and speeds detection. If the camera shows a small box, center the code inside it. Once detected, you'll see a notification or link. Do not tap multiple times. A single deliberate tap moves you to the next step. Once the link appears, tap it to open the registration page. Make sure the URL begins with https:// so you know it's secure. If the scanner asked for permissions, allow the minimum needed. This prevents interruptions. Let the page fully load, then review any autofill suggestions before accepting them. You might need to enter a short code or choose an account. Pick the correct identity and complete required fields. If a page stalls, refresh or return to scanning, and try again to restart the process. After submitting the registration form, you'll usually need to verify via email or SMS. Follow that prompt and enter the code immediately. Once confirmed, save a screenshot or download the confirmation for your records. Make sure the app or site shows a success message before closing the browser. If something goes wrong, clear the camera or app cache, move to brighter light, and rescan. Alternatively, use the manual registration link or type the short URL printed near the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.